All right, here we are. This customer just installed turf a few days ago. They gave us a call 2 days ago and had us come and give them a quote for these sunscreens. As you can see, they duct taped the full window, that way it doesn't burn the turf. And trust me, this will burn the turf really quickly if it gets direct sunlight and a good reflection. So we're gonna put the screens on using Velcro, and I'll walk you through the process. Now, I'm gonna take up all this duct tape. Look at that. Oh man, what a mess. Never put duct tape on your windows with this kind of sunlight. Look at that. But the first thing I'm gonna do is clean these frames with the alcohol, where I'm gonna put my Velcro. So this window actually opens out. So we're gonna put our screen right there. Right there. That way the window can still open. This here is the Velcro we use. It's a 3M. It's like a plastic type Velcro. You can buy this at Home Depot. It's pretty expensive, but it works really, really well. So I'm just gonna put it in the four corners. Pretty much all we need. Very fast application. We've used this Velcro many times on bigger projects. This stuff tends to hold really well. Now this is a tiny screen, so we're only going to use about 1 inch of it on each corner. The bigger the screen, the more Velcro we use. Here on Friday, we're going to do a very big screen install, and it's going to be all Velcro. And about 5 of them screens are about 118 inches long, so they're huge. So on something that size, we do like 6-inch strips in 6 different places as well. So yeah, quick pop this guy on. Let's see. Yep, just like this. That is money. That's how it looks.